Would you like me to
You ready? I believe in you.
He's got this. Round 2. Let's go.
Okay, as much as 70% of foods produced in normal grocery stores that you would shop at all contain genetically modified foods. We should all be aware of what we put in our bodies because we spend 3.7 years of our lives eating. As an athlete, health is very important to me. That's why I researched this topic thoroughly. I will now tell you what GMO foods are, how they're harmful for you, and alternatives to GMO foods. Now for the 27% of you that did not know what genetically modified foods are, they're foods that have changes to their DNA using genetic modification. GM foods have been so common in the US that we don't even realize we're eating it. Through various ways, the websites and marketing material of the companies that produce these GMO foods will make you believe that GMO foods will help the ever-growing hungry population through greater crop yields, more drought resistant, and however, nearly 20 years have passed and none of this have came to market. The GMO foods cons outweigh the pros by a lot through 3 main groups: environmental hazard, human health risks, and economic concerns. Published on New York Times, studies prove that pollen from corn that was genetically modified to produce insecticide has killed or decreased the population of butterflies and bees. More importantly, it affects the human health a lot too. A study published in the Journal of Hematology and Thermometabolic Diseases indicates that the biopesticides engineered into GM crops contribute to blood abnormalities from anemia to blood cancers such as leukemia, infertility, and birth defects. Nearly all GM foods on market come in 4 types of crops: corn, cotton, canola, and soybeans. But some of the GM ingredients can be found in certain brands of food like peanut butter, potato chips, and margarine, and other types of foods. Instead of purchasing the genetically modified foods, go the organic way. And the organic one starts with the 5-digit code beginning with the 9, and the GMO is a 5-digit code but starts with the 8. Organic foods might seem expensive, but your health is worth the extra buck. And in conclusion, as cliche as it seems, you only get one shot at life. Eat cleanly, and to eat cleanly means say no to GMO foods.